The last part of the circus, it is going to be a long video, but I'm sure you will enjoy it. I used to watch circus when I was a kid. From here, I grow interest in adventure sports like bungee, zipline. So this is what my inspiration was. Circus is all about coordination. So these people will pull the rope so that he can go up. Let me show you. So this is the coordination. Now he will go up. So pull the string. Here the strings. Circus is all about synchronization. He's going up. See? And he will come down. All the performance was good, but I enjoyed the aerial and acrobats most. The aerial act was really very good. And she is a Russian belly dancer. Her act was very smooth.
এখন বিদেশি অতিথি শিল্পী রাশিয়ান শিল্পী দ্বারা দেখবেন রাশিয়ান কালচারাল ড্যান্স।
So the motorbike stand is I bought the ticket of 400 rupees and I can go that close and watch it very clearly. So enjoy with me.
হ্যাঁ, এখন অন্ধকার করা হবে। অন্ধকারে দেখবেন আপনারা সার্কাস জগতে প্রথমবার এক্সাইটিং মোটরবাইক রাইডিং।
this motorbike and that is in this darkness. And don't think it's a ghost, that is me. Actually, I was taking selfie with it. These performers are from Manipur. I love the kids.
Let me see it do it. Let me see
And this amazing balancing act that is from Ethiopia. The performer is from Ethiopia.
it. 4 बजे और तीसरा रात रंगी रोशनी में 7 बजे से। और हम कोशिश करते हैं कि हर शो में बदले हुए एक्शन और नए नए कलाकारों द्वारा
This is what I always wait for. Trapeze. We used to say when I was a kid. Even we saw this in Mera Naam Jokar also, the movie. So সার্কাসের মেন অ্যাট্রাকশন কিন্তু মানে সমস্ত অ্যাট্রাকশন, বাট দিস ইজ দ্য মেন অ্যাট্রাকশন, ট্রাপিজ. রাইট নাও I cannot see any female, but I used to see the females also. They are doing the trapeze.
Mr. Virendra Kumar from Uttarakhand. Next. Simanto from Assam. Very ticket nicely. Lovely written. और चार्ली की बात। भाई चार्ली संभल के। चार्ली ये क्या हुआ? Simanto again. So sad. চার্লি ধরা পড়েছে এবার। চার্লি এটাকে কি হচ্ছে কি? ও তুমি দিচ্ছে না, কি করবে এখন? চলে এসো। আর এখন অন্ধকার করা হবে। টর্চ লাইট কিংবা মোবাইলের ফ্ল্যাশ লাইট জ্বালাবেন না প্লিজ, না হলে এই খেলা দেখানো যাবে না। Such a cross, baby passing, দেখছিলেন অন্ধকারে ফ্লাইং ট্রাপিজ হাওয়াই ঝিলা। এই খেলাটি দেখানোর সাথে সাথে এই শোটি এখানেই সমাপ্ত।
How was the circus? It was good, nostalgia, but মনে হয় আমরা বড় হয়ে গেছি। We used to wait for the trapeze, but it was not even 5 minutes, and I'm just going out. So the show is from 4 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. It was good. Aerobics, acrobatics, these are there. This trapeze is very less, and what I can see, most of the people are old right now. Maybe more people are not coming for this circus performance, the artist basically, but it is good. At least একবার তো দেখা উচিত। Circus is done. So circus was good. I enjoyed a lot. I was missing something because when I was a kid, there was like animals bath, but I don't support also that is when I last came here long time back with my father. So that time animals are bad. So that is okay with me. And the non-Indian performers are there. Ethiopian, they are very good with the balance act. Yeah, so I must say that at least you can come to the circus. Nostalgia-টাকে ধরে রাখাটা উচিত। আর Park Circus, I was not going to anywhere because I'm staying at Jadavpur and I'm coming alone. So Park Circus is convenient for me. That's why when I saw that Ajanta Circus is coming to Park Circus, I came here. So this is what, and in each show there will be different act. So whatever you can see the glance, that is 3rd January 2026 4 p.m. So maybe if you'll come tomorrow or day after tomorrow, that will be something else. And my ticket was 400 rupees. I saw that 400 is better, that I can see from the middle. Now I have to go back, so it is sorted. State. It's full moon today, so that is the cold arena, and right side there is toilet facility. So there you can see the tent, the performer or artist, this stay. If you have seen the um, serial circus, you can have that idea. Oh, it's full moon. Great. It's full moon. Oh, this is ladies and gents bar toilet basically. So going back, that is the arena, circus arena, and there people are staying. That was the circus arena, and this is where people are staying, practicing, the artist. So I'm not going that way. Going back. Ajanta Circus. I'm hungry now. 7 p.m. show will be houseful. Glance, the last memory I'm sharing. जीना यहाँ मरना यहाँ इसके सिवा জানা কहाँ। সার্কাস দেখতে দেখতে এই গানটা আমার খুব মনে পড়ছিল। সার্কাস আর নস্টালজিয়া মাস্ট ভিজিট।